क्या आपको ब्रह्मांड के कई एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में समझना है, लाइक एस्ट्रोलॉजी, एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड स्पेस इंजीनियरिंग? कभी सोचा है कि नॉलेज का ओरिजिन कैसा हुआ? अरे यार, मेरा वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट हॉरिबल है, कैसे सेटल करूं इस प्रॉब्लम को? क्या ऐसे समस्या का उत्तर जानना है? आपके कई हेल्थ इश्यूज होते होंगे और आप डॉक्टर्स के पास भी जाते होंगे। What if a doctor comes here and talks to you through a means to give you health tips? आप कंफ्यूज है अपने करियर चॉइसेस को लेके and wish you had a guidance to help you through this. At least the approach. Relationship management, entrepreneurship, education and social behavior. अरे ये सब कुछ नहीं तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पर चर्चा ही सही, राइट? Hello friends and salute to my fellow intellectuals and I welcome you all to Tark with Tark with Shashanka, the 20 minutes talk show. ये एक infotainment शो है where information is wealth and entertainment is good mind health. Well, healthy entertainment can make us think wiser, be smarter, act finer, and become superior. तर्क वितर्क यानी चेतना द्वारा चीजों को समझने, तथ्यों को प्रमाणित करने व उन्हें बदलने की प्रक्रिया को कहते हैं. Sounds like a Hindi commercial from the 90s, right? Well, in summary, a good discussion of things, learn and evolve is what the show is all about. Healthy infotainment से हम आपको अच्छे विचारों के साथ जोड़ने का प्रयास करेंगे. Good information will make us better individuals. Better individuals will make a better society. And a better society makes a beautiful, better world. And on and on and on. Well, sounds like climbing the Mount Everest. Nonetheless, हम इस शो पर कई एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. Sky is the limit and information is the umbrella. Anything that can help you and me understand life better and become a better soul. We could talk about great people with great stories or common people with great stories. New ideas, new technologies, new innovations and new businesses and commendable contributions. The gurus from the past, nature, world, the cosmos, the cosmic forces, aliens, universe. अरे कुछ भी यार, अब यहाँ मैं टॉपिक्स का लिस्ट करता बैठूंगा तो एक नहीं कई एपिसोड्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. There is so much to explore, right? Perfect. There are so many shows and podcasts doing wonderful things, and this is me contributing in my way to explore the world of knowledge along with you. And for any great show, you need a perfect sidekick. Well, I have my friend, my little brother, Mera Khasam Khas, and not just any sidekick, but my infamous co-host, Ute. Well, भाई की एंट्री ऐसी होती है, थोड़ा ग्रैंड एंड थोड़ा शोबिस टाइप. पर भाई कुछ ज्यादा ही रिलैक्स्ड है. जस्ट अ मिनट. हेलो यूट. हेलो भाई कहाँ हो? हेलो यूट. हेलो. शायद हवाई में सिपिंग पीना कोलाडा. हेलो. वेकी. यूट, can you come out of your virtual world and come back to the real world? People are waiting for your response. Knock. Finally. Okay, you pulled a nice DDLJ swag. Cool. Can we get back to the show, please? Thanks. So friends, this is Ute. this cutie pie is my buddy and my co-host. East West, North South, आगे पीछे, दाएं बाएं, ऊपर नीचे सभी दिशाओं से इंफॉर्मेशन आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए और आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए ये मुझे असिस्ट करेगा. And the best part of the show is we will have a specialist from the topic of discussion who will be our guest of honor. और इस शो की खासियत यही है कि that specialist need not be a well-known celebrity. आपके नेबर हो सकते हैं, आपके फ्रेंड या रिलेटिव हो सकते हैं, या आप खुद हो सकते हैं. मेरा मानना है कि real life heroes and celebrities can exist anywhere. Anyone who celebrates their success stories and contributions with great aspirations is a celebrity. और उनके स्टोरीज को आप तक पहुंचाना ये शो का मेन उद्देश्य है. These specialists would have wide range of experiences और हम उनके experiences के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे, तर्क वितर्क करेंगे, मीनिंग एनालिसिस करेंगे कि why, when, where, what and how they have accomplished what they have and how we can get inspired to thrive better. और अगर आपको उन स्पेशलिस्ट से कंसल्टिंग करनी हो या एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन लेनी हो तो उनका फोन नंबर और रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी डिस्प्लेड बिलो. You can contact them to seek any information or work with collaborations. Infotainment और edutainment को पैकेज कर एक क्रिएटिव लर्निंग कर्व के जरिए आप तक वो इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाने का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हुए मैं इस शो की शुरुआत कर रहा हूं. इस शो में हम ब्रह्मांड के कई एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, except we are not going to talk about political agendas, religious agendas, no leftist, rightist or sexist interpretations of any sort. Keep it straight, simple and central. यहाँ मैं selected topics पर अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करूंगा and you can put your opinions in the form of constructive criticism in the comments below. And if you like my show, press the bell icon, like and subscribe my channel too. आपके कमेंट्स ही मेरे शो के एनर्जी बूस्टर्स हैं. Like I might have certain view on certain concept and there could be a certain view which I have not covered or probably I could be wrong in a certain way. Hence there could be cross criticism that can give a different perspective to the concept we are discussing about. And a follow-up video will be made and posted here where I will address and acknowledge your thoughts and opinions about the related topic, which will make this show way better. If you have any reasonable questions about the topic, we will come back to you with the answers. But if you go for destructive comments or anyway comments like ये show बकवास है, this show is stupid, etc., I would care less. And no response. जितना हो सके no गाली गलौज and no abusive language here please. Keep it peaceful. अगर आपको कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स समझ में नहीं आया या पसंद नहीं आया तो कुछ ऐसा कमेंट्स कीजिए जिससे कि मैं इस शो को बेटर कर सकूं. ये शो पर हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं and I have to respect your opinions too, and that's why your comments are very important for me, and that's why this show is called Tark with Shashanka, the 20 minutes talk show. We are trying to be reasonable here with the good reasoning. And why 20 minutes? 20 minutes is a very significant number, दोस्तों. It's where our teens end and the teas begin. Where life changes completely, where we get special privileges and and we get many licenses, right? It's Tark Vitark show, friends. That means we are trying to analyze things here. I am analyzing here. And the people who will be joining the show have already done their analysis. And you will be helping us do more analysis on the concepts. And we will have lots of fun doing this. We will do whatever it takes for bridging this gap for the sake of knowledge being exchanged or presented. So, being the first episode, I was wondering what should be the first topic to discuss. And since this show is called Tark Vitark, I thought of bringing in the aspect of Tark Shastra. ये तर्क शास्त्र क्या है? And what is the origin of it? How Tark Shastra became an important aspect in philosophy, research and education. Tark Shastra refers to the science of logic, यानी कि तर्क, reasoning, यानी कि वितर्क, and debate, यानी कि वाद विवाद. यानी तर्क शास्त्र का डेफिनेशन है a systematic science of reasoning, logical debate, and art of critical inquiry. अब तर्क शास्त्र का पर्पस क्या है? What was the reason of origin of such knowledge? It was primarily aimed to realize the valid knowledge or prama and distinguish it from false knowledge or aprama. To provide tools for vad yani debate and philosophical inquiry yani ki darshanik janch. To train the mind in critical thinking yani ki mahatvapurn soch. To gain the correct understanding of ultimate reality yani ki tattva gyan. तर्क शास्त्र हमें नॉलेज का बेस सिस्टम, नॉलेज का सोर्स और उसे पाने का अप्रोच और भारतीय संस्कृति और शास्त्रों को समझने का मूल उपकरण है. Now we have a very clear idea कि नॉलेज का ओरिजिन और उसके सिस्टम को समझना ही तर्क शास्त्र का मेन उद्देश्य है. न्याय शास्त्र नॉलेज के इस सोर्सेस को 4 भागों में बांटता है. प्रत्यक्ष यानी कि परसेप्शन और डायरेक्ट सेंसरी नॉलेज, अनुमाना यानी कि इन्फरेंस और नॉलेज थ्रू रीजनिंग, उपमाना यानी कि एनालॉजी और नॉलेज थ्रू कंपैरिजन, शब्द यानी कि वर्बल कंफर्मेशंस और टेस्टिमनीज फ्रॉम एक्सपर्ट्स और स्क्रिप्चर्स. Since debate is a major tool of reasoning in Tarka Shastra, debate can be categorized in 3 forms. Vada, honest discussions in finding truth. Jalpa, a debate form to win with clever and witty hypothesis. Vitanda, or purely destructive criticism. And above all, Tarka, which is hypothetical reasoning and used as a mental exercise to arrive at consistency of theories. अभी तर्क शास्त्र के स्ट्रक्चर को समझते हैं. The typical structure comprises of Padartha, which is defined by the category of reality like substance, quality, particularity, and action, etc. Pramana, which is defined by the source of knowledge. Nyaya Saligram or Nyaya Vakya as a debating technique which we discussed earlier. Hetya Bhasha, which is defined by the errors in reasoning. Such is the importance and relevance of this science from the Vedic times, which was developed as a part of Nyaya philosophy by the great and infamous sage Gautama. And there are many other schools of thoughts like Mimamsa, Vedanta and Buddhism जिनके फॉलोअर्स ने तर्कशास्त्र को कई कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस किए हैं। तर्कशास्त्र के इंपॉर्टेंस को समझना और मॉडर्न लॉजिक को इसके एप्लीकेबिलिटी को जानना I feel is very, very important for future generations. It should be studied as a subject which will surely impact the critical thinking and analytical reasoning in future scientists, students, and researchers. It is the foundation of Indian logical thought, which has influenced our philosophy, our theology, law, and linguistics, and key essential source in understanding other branches of knowledge. और हमारे ancient scientists and historians ने इस शास्त्र का उपयोग किया है in scholarly debates, यानी कि शास्त्रार्थ, and establishing truth and hypothesis for defining the future of knowledge gain. ये प्रमोट करता है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटेलेक्ट और मोक्ष यानी कि लिबरेशन को परस्यूट करने में भी यही हमारा मूल यंत्र है। And this happens through removal of false beliefs and ignorance. Now, since we have the basic understanding of Tarka Shastra, we will deep dive into many aspects and details by understanding the contributions done by great scholars and thinkers like Professor Dr. Veluri Subba Rao, who has been addressed as one of the great scholars of India. और उन्होंने इस शास्त्र का काफी डिटेल्ड अध्ययन किया है and we will do Tark Vitark in a future episode. अब इस पहले एपिसोड की शुभ आरंभ से हमारा जर्नी शुरू होता है and the end of this episode is just the beginning of a great journey ahead. Once again, please like and subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon below and do comment for future discussions. And before end of every episode, we will at least learn 3 things from our ancient wisdom and the Shastras. First, always try to get up early in the morning between 5 and 5:30 a.m. Because trust me दोस्तों, waking up early in the morning has helped me a lot in my journey, especially in producing this show. Second, every day, along with praying to God, अपने माता पिता का चरण स्पर्श जरूर करें. Do you think without them this life would have been possible? And third, झगड़े हमारे हमेशा होते हैं. कभी मियाँ बीवी के बीच में, कभी दोस्तों के बीच में, रिलेटिव्स के बीच में, या even with your own office colleagues. And एक जादू की झप्पी which we know from Munna Bhai MBBS. Is the perfect solution, is a perfect way to express our apology and end any fight. जल्द ही मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में और कुछ नए टॉपिक्स और इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट्स पर फिर से डिस्कशंस करेंगे. Meanwhile, have fun spreading knowledge. Bye, my fellow intellectuals.